Well, tonight we are taking a closer look at the impacts of both decisions, starting with the Supreme Court's ruling in favor of a Colorado web designer who wanted to reject same-sex wedding clients.
And I'm grateful for the court for affirming that the government can't force anyone to say something they don't believe.
The majority decided that as a creative professional, Lori Smith's First Amendment rights shielded her from punishment under Colorado's anti-discrimination law because, quote, Colorado seeks to force an individual to speak in ways that align with its views but defy her conscience about a matter of major significance. The dissenting liberal justices argued the First Amendment does not protect the act of discrimination, noting, quote, this is the first time the High Court has granted a business open to the public a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class. As a result, members of the LGBTQ community in Kansas City came together to express frustration with that ruling. Our reporter Grant Stevens in the newsroom to share their story. Grant.
Well, Kevin, we wanted to get out in that community and see how today's news hit them. And the people we spoke with were undeniably frustrated, some fearful of how this would impact them. But they're still pushing forward.
Dark clouds hang over the LGBTQ community today.
This Supreme Court decision is a slap in the face.
I feel like queer people are being attacked from every angle right now.
Attacks they've felt rain down on them for years, made legal with the crack of a Supreme Court gavel.
I was very upset because I don't know how far they're going to go, and it doesn't seem like they're going to stop.
But there's a small silver lining for the worried. This community won't give up.
And it can be discouraging, however, we can't stop trying to push forward.
A band of Kansans and Missourians weathering the storm together.
Send the message that discrimination of any form is not okay, and that if it happens here in Kansas City, we will be taking a stand. Remember that we've always been here, and also that we're not going anywhere. We're people, we deserve to have rights.
Tonight's more impromptu protest certainly won't be the last we see. There are several more larger protests planned for tomorrow all across the metro area. In Kansas City, Grant Stevens, KSHB 41 News.